Hi friends, I'm back with another nutritious weight loss recipe. Today I'm going to be making brown rice and capsicum fried rice. This is a really simple recipe and all you need for this recipe is half cup of brown rice, capsicum. I'm using red and green capsicum here. Also you need quarter of an onion. I'm using a small piece of ginger and I'm using some whole spices as well. This is completely optional. First I'm going to wash my brown rice and cook it in a pressure cooker and keep it aside. You can cook the rice in a pot or a saucepan, but it might take longer. While cooking the rice, I'm adding a pinch of salt as well. Now I'm going to heat up 1 tablespoon of olive oil in my cast iron kadai and add the whole spices. I have used cardamom, cinnamon sticks, fennel seeds and cloves here. Now I have added chopped ginger into this. Along with that, I'm adding finely chopped red onions. I'm using only quarter of an onion here. Now give it a nice mix and wait until the onions become translucent. You can add some salt at this point so that the cooking process will be faster. Now I'm going to add my finely chopped red and green capsicum into this and give it a nice mix as well. Let this cook for some time until the capsicum becomes a bit softer. Then you can add a bit of soy sauce into this. This is completely optional though. Now I'm going to add my cooked brown rice into this and give it a nice mix. Once it is well combined, you can sprinkle some pepper. Also add some finely chopped herbs such as parsley, coriander or oregano. Now our super tasty capsicum brown rice fried rice is ready. If you like this recipe, please try it yourself and let me know your feedback. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another video. Bye.